Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Hello English channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's fantastic to be back with you today.
It really is. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining, and I have my coffee. I'm happy. How about you?
I'm very happy too, and excited because we have a great topic for everyone today.
A great topic. I like that. What are we talking about?
Today, we're going to talk about something very important for all English learners: how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Wow, that's a powerful topic. Confidence is so important, but sometimes it can feel difficult.
Yes, it can. But we're here to help with easy tips to make it fun.
That sounds great. I'm ready.
Me too. But before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, Hello English Channel.
And don't forget to like this episode and share it with your friends and family. It really helps our channel grow.
So, confidence, where do we begin?
We start very small. You don't need to be perfect.
Small is good. What do you mean?
Start with just one word and a smile.
One word? What word?
Hello.
Hello. I can do that. That's easy.
Yes, and add a friendly smile. A smile is a universal language. It says, I am friendly, you can talk to me.
What's next after hello?
Ask an easy question, like, how are you?
So, I say hello, I smile, then I ask how are you? That's a conversation.
A great topic is the weather. Simple and safe.
I can say, it's a nice day today.
Exactly. Or, is it cold outside?
What about body language?
Stand tall, shoulders back. Look at the person's eyes just for a few seconds.
Okay, no looking at my shoes. Eye contact, smile, got it. I need to listen, right?
Yes, listening is maybe the most important part. It shows respect.
What if I don't understand?
Just say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that please? Or, can you speak a little slower?
Where can I practice?
In simple places, coffee shops, supermarkets, say, hello, one coffee please, thank you.
I want to be extra friendly. What can I say?
Give a compliment. I like your shirt. It makes people feel happy.
I'm scared of mistakes.
Mistakes are your friends. They show you are learning and brave.
What if they ask, where are you from?
Prepare at home. Practice in front of a mirror. My name is blank. I am from blank.
How do I end a conversation politely?
Say, it was nice talking with you. Have a wonderful day.
These tips are so helpful. I feel ready to talk to someone now.
To all our listeners, be brave and just say hello.
Yes, remember communication, not perfection.
Please subscribe to Hello English channel so you don't miss the next episode.
And leave a comment. What is your favorite confidence tip? We love reading your messages.
Thank you all for listening.
See you next time. Bye for now.